Hi everyone, this is Chandni Singh and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a beautiful bridal makeover on the beautiful Lisa, who is a complete tomboy. Of course, as always, I start with cleaning the skin really well. And you guys know I'm so addicted to a good prep and prime always. I'm going to mention all the products in the description box in the same way they have been used in the video. I also groom her eyebrows, pluck and trim them. After the skin prep and prime is done, I start with filling up and defining the eyebrows. Next step is an eyeshadow base, which is a tone lighter to her skin so that the eyes look really enhanced. After that, I take a brown pencil. I smoke it out with a CS Essentials pencil brush. I keep taking the color up to the crease and also set it in place with a matte brown eyeshadow from a Viseart palette. I make sure there are no harsh edges and I smoke out all the eyeshadow with lighter colors into the crease. Don't forget to curl those lashes and apply at least 2 to 3 coats of mascara always. I gave her grey lenses to really make those eyes pop. I come back to the skin and I start with the CS Essentials Skinn Fuel moisturiser, which is great for dry and dehydrated skin. Next step, I am using the Forever52 newly launched Corrector palette, and then I top it up with a Viseart concealer. Remember guys, blending is key. Next step, I'm going to use Airbrush from Temptu. Guys, I'm a huge fan of airbrush makeup because I feel the makeup is really long lasting, particularly for hot and humid temperature. I also love the sheerness of the foundations because it makes the skin look really real, and you know how much I love real makeup. I'm also going to highlight her face using airbrush only, and next step I also apply a blush. I also very lightly contoured her face using airbrush only. Next step, I'm going to set the makeup with powder, and I use the CS Essentials tapered brush for it. I like to use a brush because I feel it keeps the powder application really minimal. After the powder, I finish her nose contour and I do all the small detailing on the lower lash line. And yes, I do add a little bit of blush. Once I'm happy with the base, I use the CS Essentials Glow Fix Plus, which is a hydrating spray and will be launched very soon. I also enhance the glow of the face using a shimmer highlighter with the CS Essentials Fan Brush on all the right areas of the face. Guys, I won't deny that I keep enhancing the eyes right until the end. Next step, it's time for body glow, and I'm using a Forever52 product. I enhance her eyes using the CS Essentials Lashes in style Nelly, which are priced at 185 rupees, and we opt for nude lips. Do let me know in the comments guys, what do you think about this entire look? I would love to hear from you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Thank you.